Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to change shocker on Vauxhall Corsa 2020. To change the suspension, you need spring compressor. Make sure the coil spring equally on each side. We want 21mm socket to tie this down. Now I'm going to compress suspension down with ratchet equally each side. And this starts same thing. Compress equally. You can use 21mm socket. This is coil is being compressed out, and this is all suspension being taken out from this car. This is mounting, top mounting. Look good to me. Fine. This is bearings. Go on top of this mounting like this, and this nut go on top of here. This new shocker I'm going to change on this car, new one. This is where coil spring usually seated. The stopper there stops it from moving the spring around. The stopper there. I'm going to put this spring top of it here. Located in the right place now. This mounting need to be going on top side of here. Then we tighten this down. We need to compress this spring down. Once it's fully down, stop spinning this. That means it's proper seated. Make sure check all the seats before you release the clamps. And this is mounting from top. You can see it. Make sure everything safe. Then release this clamp down. Off, clamps off. Spring is compressed down. Spring clamps off now. As you can see. Thank you guys.